how to get followers on TikTok. So on this process, make sure you have updated the latest version of TikTok. So you have to update to its latest version, and simply from there, you'll have to open the TikTok app and log in with your account. Okay, so from here you will have to go the profile section just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and from here you will have to go with the options three line. It will appear just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and from here you will have to go with the options setting and privacy, and then on the account. Okay, so from here you will have to click on this option switch to business account. So make sure you have the limited or several followers to turn on these features for business account. So simply you have to click on this switch to business account option. Alright, so after switching your account to business account, you might be appear with the several folders here. So right now in my case, I have the limited followers on my TikTok account. So if you have the several videos or several followers on your TikTok account, you will be able to see this interface on your TikTok. So likewise, you can also now upload the videos on separate specific folder whom you want to upload it on your TikTok accounts. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if any queries are arises, just let me know them in comment section below. For more short tutorial like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.